I have never been one to follow recipes in order, much to the frustration of certain people in my life. One of my favorite recipes that I make all the time, I don't mix the dry ingredients and then do the wet ingredients and like all of that. No, like I do it in reverse. It's like I've never really known that there is a box. You know what I'm saying? And this applies to my approach to health and wellness as well. So many of us are trapped in this box. We think we have to follow this certain recipe that's been outlined and prescribed for us by the modern medical paradigm. The fact of the matter is, though, that there's different ways to make a recipe and still come out with an amazing result. And sometimes when you question the recipe and you figure out your own ingredients, it turns out even better. And this is what I do with my clients every day. I empower them to step outside of the box that we've been given and see that there's all these different ways to start approaching their health to give them their power back when it comes to the trajectory that they're taking with their health and well-being. We figure out a new way to make the recipe for you. What is going to work for you? What's going to be most supportive for you? What are your goals? And we find ways around and out of the box that we often find ourselves stuck in. So if you're looking for support for that, that's what I do with my one-on-one clients. Get yourself a discovery call so we can chat and see if that's for you.